Good morning, everybody. Amaya, say good morning. Daddy. Anyways, good morning, everyone. It is the next day. Oh my gosh, that was a much needed sleep. It's almost like 12 o'clock right now. And we had to rush because Amaya needs to eat. She's been eating chips this whole morning. We're just waiting on Kavi at the moment. He's currently getting ready, and then we're gonna go to have breakfast and browse around. What do you want, baby? See? She's obsessed with these chips. Here. Eat it. Eat it all. Eat it all. It's almost finished. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Yeah, we'll take you guys along with us. Let's go eat now. Ma, look. Oh, she just wants me. This is what I'm having. Goodbye. Matcha. Chia pudding. So good. This is so good. From Hella. My first time trying it. Ma. Yeah. Where are you taking me? You want mommy sitting in here? Huh? We just came in here to feed her, but all the rooms occupied the room. Amara found the cutest bag. Show me your bag. Show me your bag, baby. Oh, so cute. Wow. Look. You love this bag? Amara, look. Look, baby. You love it? Ah! She knows exactly how to wear it. Oh, it's so cute. Blue lemon. Amira. It's comfy. It's comfortable. Acha? Dance. We just came here to take a photo of her with the teddy bear. So, what a giant teddy bear. Come, let's go. Careful, baby. Yeah, hey. Alright. That's us. Yay. So busy. Amara's sleeping now.
Much later.
Amara just woke up from a nap. Did you? Look at that shot. Oh, we did so much today, man. I just want to go in the room and relax. Oh, look at that. Alright, so we just got to the room, just, resting up. Amara's looking at me through the camera. And then we'll go later on to have dinner and come back and relax. We have one more day in Melbourne, so tomorrow night we leave to go somewhere. But yeah, it's been such a long day. It feels like there's a lot of shoppings. We try to control getting a lot of stuff today because obviously we're going somewhere else internationally. But I just sat down and look. She's sitting down. Baby, that's enough. That is enough. You've been eating so much snacks today already. It's not good for you, huh? It's Not good for you. It's not good for you, my love. Tiny human beings arguing with me at the moment. Leave it. That is the phone. That is the hotel phone. Acha. Acha. Alright, we're off to dinner now. Let's see where we can go for dinner. Love the location of where we're staying. It's so convenient for all the shops. Amara. Alright, so we're having this today. Yeah, I can't wait to eat. We're so hungry. Amara's just keeping her occupied. Checking out now. Say hello. Hello? Hello. Hi. Hold daddy's hand.
Yeah. Come.
Papa's hand. Hold. You can't take the ball. Oh, she knows what to do with it. Ball. You want another one? Here. Here. Are you gonna be a basketball player? Hmm? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Tonight is our flight. Tonight we'll be revealing where we're gonna be flying at airport with us. So yeah, very excited. But as of now, we're currently looking for a cafe where we can have nice breakfast. And yeah, continue on with our day as usual. Oh, that's a long walk. Hey, my love. Such a long walk, but it's good exercise early in the morning. Spending quality time with her dad. He's not walking with us. And of course, guys, I have to stop by here to get probably the same thing that I got last time. Oh, it's so yum. Yum. Alright, so I got this sausage hot dog kind of thing, and then the same thing that I got last time, which just this donut. I love cream donut. Yay! So breakfast, we've got the egg benny on the croissant. And then I got a matcha, strawberry matcha, which I'll be sharing it with this little one. Just snacking on these chia pudding and yogurt with apricot for baby, but she's currently not taking it. We're trying to give it to her, but she's just not in the mood to eat anything.
She liked it.
She likes it. She ate it yesterday, but maybe not at the moment. Maybe later, huh? We can keep it for later. Alright, let's go now, baby. What is that? Should we go now? She's obsessed with toys, especially teddy bears. Look, she's got this tiny little baby. Little Missy has got the little baby. There's one more store. Alright, just gonna get my nails done while I have the time. Just getting my nails done. It's so pretty. Not the right color for Christmas, but it's exactly where I got them. It's so big, different. I love dark colors. It's so cute. Little Missy here is having a feed. Yeah, that is us. Biggest thing for Mara. She's such a fast learner, you guys. Like, I didn't even know. We went into the shop to get me a small clip, and I was about to scan, but then I reached out for the card, and her hand was already on the tap machine, on the Apple's machine, wanting to tap. Man, you're so smarty. You've been watching Mama, huh? Now, no more tapping. No more tapping. No more tapping. Give me the card, Vicky. Alright, update. So I'm getting the black one. Same one as one of these. So I'm so happy about that. I've been wanting a tote bag for all my carry-on things. So yeah. Alright, we got the bag. Yay! So this is the bag. Love it. I love this color too. Comes with a pouch, which is this one here. So good. Where's Bapu, Mara? Look. Bapu's standing outside. Look. Do you miss Bapu? Do you? Where's Bapu? Where's Ma? Huh? You want to see yourself?
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Where's bye?
Mana lagi? Mana?
Where's Bapu?
Bapu kan?
Bapu?
देखिए? देखिए वो कहाँ है?
And where's Ma? Where? Where's Ma?
Belalang. Mana belalang?
Ma?
Kama? Kama? Ma kहाँ है?
And where's Kaputta?
Ma kहाँ है?
Kaputta.
Ma kहाँ है? क्या ये?
Where's Kaputta? Joe? Just spending quality time with Kavi. Our flight is in the next couple of hours. So, yeah, gonna be away from him for hopefully a few weeks. What do you say, Pepe? 2 or 3 weeks, Amira. Amira, are you gonna miss your dad? Yeah, obviously. Well, he's gonna miss her. But we'll be back. Say goodbye to Papa. Yeah, we're going. Yeah. No, kiss Papa. She doesn't know. Alright, see ya. It's alright, what you doing? We'll be back.
Okay, let's go now.
Kiss.
Okay, bye.
Oh, I just landed in New Zealand. You can see a grandma. Welcome to New Zealand. It's so good to be back in New Zealand. Wow. It's been a couple of years, I think. So yeah, it's good to be back. Mara? Excited to see your grandma and grandpa? Yeah, look, Auntie. I'm vlogging, you're vlogging. Look, Auntie Baby's here. Good. Hi, Peter. Hi. Oi. Hi, Mara. Look at Myra. Meet Myra. Baby, look. Brother.
Hi, Miss Indy.
How are you? Look, who's this? Who's that? Huh? She's happy. She's got someone.
Got here.
Oh, really? Do you remember Gabriel? Huh? Here comes the lady of the family. Baby, look, grandma. Who's this? Nana? Huh? Malusia. Nana?
Does Indian look like Samoan?
Yeah, heaps of them looks like Samoans. Yeah.
Why?
Because they're brown, just like Samoans. What a question. I like that question.
I'm not someone boy. What? Did you miss your daddy?
Have you seen my house? My new brand new
Yeah, I'm excited to see your Airbnb. Que le swinga mamá o le me. Hey, Pipi.